today I'm going to change my factory light bulb to these LED light bulbs with this awesome purple color because it's gonna look better, it's gonna be brighter, and it's gonna improve my street cred. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Amazon came by and dropped off some goods. In here, I have my LED headlight replacements, the bulbs, clearly. And this is a Dyson brand, never really heard of them. Off Amazon, very inexpensive though. I got very good reviews, so I went ahead and bought them. See what we got inside. Looks like instructions for H4, H7, H8. Looks like for every type of installation except for the H1, which these are supposed to be H1 lights. So that's trash. What we got in here, there is 2 bulbs, so that's a good start. There they are. It's a 10mm bolt. Don't forget to add some WD-40 to help get them off. Shit. Get it later. If you're prying too hard like I am, check for another bolts or clip. Whoops. Apparently the other side didn't have this little tab. Now I know. This back cover didn't quite fit over the bulb, so I just went ahead and cut it right off. Why? Red, black, black, red. Why? And that is exactly why you would test it before you bolt it back onto your car. It's a goner. It's gonna hurt. Oh well, had to go buy a new one anyway. That thing was rusted to all hell. Come on. Being so picky. Just get back in your home, headlight. Go to your home. There you go. I just found the coolest thing out right there. It's gonna show you your headlight bulb type. You go over here with the H1 indices. Here's what they looked like before the install. Oh wow, they're hella bright. Heck yes. So much better. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Catch you guys next time.